Sorry. Had a bunch of crap that I was getting done. Crap. He's taking a Tim. Oh, come on. Got about a minute till open. I was doing house stuff. I did poop earlier, though. Actually, right after this opening trade, I need to run and check something. Have my orders out. I have a stop long over 25K, a stop short under 972. Just looking for 40 ticks. Here we go. Could be a fake out to the upside, but see. All right, tagged in and out. All right. Why couldn't it just do that yesterday? Oh, I was on micros! Son of a... I suck. I suck so bad. All right. I made up for it, though. All right. We're good there. Got one more day of, I got the 40% there. So I made 800 and 800. I did not trade. Oh, I wish I had traded the main account there, but. All right. Now let me make sure I go back to micros. Then tomorrow I only need to make 400. And we'll get to the buffer zone again. Of course, today I don't take this trade and it doesn't go straight up. Right, let me go check something real quick. All right. So this is a Tradeify select account, 50K, 2,000 stop loss or count blown versus 2,500, right? Take profit. Yes, 2,500 take profit, 2,000 in drawdown, 40% consistency. Which means we can only make 1,000. Wish that was the case yesterday with the Take Profit Trader account, because we got to 1,000, but I was trying to get to 1,500. Well, maybe we are going to go straight up. At least it's giving you pullbacks within the candles, though, and not just straight up.
Order filled.
You want to see how you get a pullback? Watch this. You just got to try to go with the move. That's how you get pullbacks.
Order working.
All right, carefree trade here. Either we go or we don't. I was looking for the push up through 100.
Stop filled.
Of course not. Of course not. You little bitch. Literally bottom ticked it. 82. So funny the market is. So funny. Kind of want to try it again. The sellers actually feel like they're in control at the moment. Keep shoving it down.
Order filled.
Damn. That was not a great fill. I was trying to get filled around 100 if I was going to get in. I don't like that rejection. Go. 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 Should have took it. Should have took it. I was hoping for the actual push. Now it looks like a fake out. Crap. Isn't good. Dang it.
Order working. Order filled.
I'm gonna try to get out, hopefully. Couldn't just go a little higher. I was literally about to hit the button. No? Okay. Just the way my week has gone, man. Just the way my week has gone. It's been a pretty bad week. All right. I don't want to add because I don't want it to. If I add down here and it keeps going just a little bit further, it's gonna take me out. At least I'll give it a little bit of room. Hope that it gets bought up. And honestly, if this gets bought up,
Working.
if this gets bought up, it might go straight back to the highs. But we already know that ain't gonna happen, right? It's not even gonna get back above my average. Because it doesn't want to give me a chance to even get out. It's just the kind of week I've had, man. It's been brutal. $2,000's coming quick. Go! Let me just get out of this. Sellers are in control now. They're gonna V.
Order working. Order
Yay!
filled.
Go. At least it gives me a little wiggle room if it tries to go back down. Probably should have just took the whole thing off, but being optimistic that if it got back up to there, it might actually keep going. Might. We can get a push up towards the highs. I'm just going to put a stop in right here. A lot of wicks to battle through. A lot of wicks to battle through. What's up, Miss K? How are you this morning? This feels like a lower high. We might be getting pooched. If we can come up and break this candle, I'd be optimistic that we'll go through the highs, but right now that just looks like a lower high. It's so hard with these evals, man, because it's like you trade them so different, you know?
Order filled.
Take a chance that we bounce. Never mind. I'm gonna say we bounce off of there. I had 50 right under it. It did use 50 at least temporarily. Sure where we got to get to. Kind of watching the P&L for where we would be green on this. Assuming it's somewhere around like 80, 83, 84, 85, somewhere in there. Just based off of, this is where our average was. So if you take a look at half, it's somewhere right around there. I just can't get anything going. Could I have gotten out? Yeah, I could have. but was looking for that to break back up through the highs. Evals, man, they're killers because it's like you don't want to waste time on them, but at the same time, when you don't take your time, you end up just doing dumb crap like this, and it's like, what do you do? Yeah, this is gone. She gone. Oh, okay. We were down to like 200 and drawdown there. Not out of the woods yet, obviously. Need this wick to really wick. Give me one of them like out of nowhere candles, like pew. Put an order out just
Order
in case.
working.
Yeah, no. Seller said, no. We V'ing, baby. We V'ing. Buyers are like, no, not yet. Not yet. It's the market just playing with my feelings. It could have just went down on this candle and got me, but it's like, you know what? Let's go up and chop around a little bit and then go get them. Yeah, you usually see this in the mornings, but usually it plays out over the course of the first half hour, not the first 15 minutes. That was pretty quick. It's trying to make it to M. We're going to make it M, hopefully. 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 I am ready to take one off if I see we're green on the trade, just to reduce the risk again. But it doesn't feel like it's trying to get up there. Kind of just chopping. Oh, there we go. Keep going, we need more. Almost there. Oh, I almost saw green. I almost saw green on the total. It was 20 in the red. Oh, there it is.
Order filled.
All right. Took some off. I'm going to try to hold this one. There we go. Go, baby, go. Keep going. Oh, there's 100. Oh, it ran right into it. That's okay. See if we can get the pop through. Oh, that was the pop through, I think. No. Oh, come on. 106. We're at 106.50. 2 ticks. Really?
Order filled.
I was going to drag it even higher. Okay, I'll take that. Hey, we were 200 away from blowing that account, which means we were down 1,800. So we went from down 1,800 to plus 570. I am not going to complain. Not going to complain. This is the candle I was talking about. Had I held this candle, we would have passed the account. But I'm fine with it. The fact that we got out of that alive, I will take it. I totally expected that account to get blown. We're also up $100 just trading micros over on the MNQ on Traders Launch. Just took quick little scalps at the actual top here and the actual bottom. I had 2 contracts from when I was trading I was just looking for 40 ticks. I had 2 contracts. I downed it to 1, but 2 contracts worked twice. So we made 40 bucks twice, and then I just made 20 bucks once. So that put us at 100. Oh, here's the M. Making a little M here. Where are we at on the daily? I know we're back above 25K, obviously, but what's that look like? Okay. So in order to really be bullish, we got to get back above 400, 450. Actually, like 490, technically. We're still kind of down in this area. Where is the current high of the day? Oh, okay, 250. Get my, where did we close yesterday? I'm assuming lower, right? Oh, well, would you look at that? Would you look at that? Who would have thought? Look at this. Used it a crap ton. Look at this. Went through support, resistance. This was that. This is this morning. Resistance, resistance. Kind of just resistance, resistance, and now we're using it as resistance again. So if we get through this, watch out. There it goes. If we get through this, watch out. It could go. But look at every other time it ran into it, we did fade off. So let's see. I can't make this up. I mean, that's not my line. That's just yesterday's close. It's crazy how often it gets used. I know I say it all the time. I might have to like make a video about it. Here we go. We can get through and go. We'll probably get a retest, but this kind of makes me feel a little bullish. I just gotta try to hold. Didn't hold. All right, ran into it, failed it. So far. All right, feels like it's trying to use this as support around 110. See if it can't push its way back up through yesterday's close. Ooh-wee. Altus trades, Atlas trade, Altus. Is it Altus? I'm gonna go Altus. You gotta work your way up. Oh wait, so McDonald's actually has a new burger? I saw this whole thing with the CEO tasting it or whatever. I thought he was just eating a Big Mac though. Yeah, today's his last day streaming, isn't it? And then like tomorrow he's got different schedule again. You guys see F1 starts again tonight? Let's go. Ooh. I honestly forgot that you were streaming. You weren't talking in my chat, so I didn't know. No, nah, when you're streaming, I usually always have you up in the background. Oh, I love F1. It's like one of my favorite things. Who's your driver slash team? I'm a Lando McLaren. McLaren. We took it home last year. I waited a lot of years for that to happen, and it finally happened. It's going to be pretty interesting with the new cars this year. Nobody's kind of tipping their hat, but we're going to see what happens on Saturday for qualifying. That's when we'll finally reveal who's fast and who's not. Because even in practice, I don't think everyone's going to show their true times. Seriously, Rob? Damn. She still work for him? That's pretty cool. Ferrari was savage during the testing in Bahrain. Yeah, but we don't know that for sure. She still does? That's awesome, man. Dude, F1 is such a great sport. It pays well, too. What does she do? Like, is she like a mechanic, or does she work like with the higher ups? Like, is she in like strategy? Is she engineering? Advertising and management stuff? Okay, so back end type stuff. Yeah, we'll see what happens. The only reason I've always rooted for Hamilton. So, like, I wanted Hamilton to win the last championship to set himself apart because he deserves it. I mean, they straight up just stole one from him. So, wasn't too happy about that when they straight up just stole the championship from him that last race. And what was that, 21? It was a while ago now, it feels. Nice little push here. I'd assume we'll come down for the retest at 150. Just a matter of when. I mean, could go straight to the highs because, I mean, look, we're not even to the bands yet. Trying to be patient. I don't want to take any stupid early trades if I don't have to. Well, you never have to, so. Oh, are you a Lewis fan? I used to go to the races in England for free. Met Max Verstappen a few times. You met him when he was kind of a dick, though. He's mellowed out a lot. He used to be a jerk, but you can tell that he's definitely grown up a little bit. So I'm not a huge Max fan. I was more of a Lewis fan, but you got to respect Max, man. He is just, I think he's the best driver out there. Like if you put all the drivers in the same car, I don't see a race where he doesn't win. Like, he is just that good. I mean, look at the difference between him and his teammate, like the last year. I mean, and he's had some good teammates. Daniel Ricciardo, Sergio Perez. Like, he's had some good teammates, and they just couldn't keep up. All right, I'm getting tempted here. Push through 200. I'm tempted. Not enough of a push there. I would need like 220. Looking, because then now I'm looking for the 200 retest. Not quite enough. Would have been nice though. Look at that. Would have instantly worked. Do we come down and test 150 first, or what's the deal here? What is the deal? Looking like it wants to try to go higher. Alright, maybe it wants to come for 150 first. Maybe we get to like 160. Just kind of looking at the EMA. Probably bounce off of there. All right. Well, guess not. I was gonna say Mercedes gifted that championship to Max. Thinks that happens where a race sits in it, but I was going to the pits expecting to end the race with the safety. That's gambling. Well, but they didn't follow the rules. What was his name? Michael Massey. Was it Massey? Michael something. Michael something. Because I can hear Toto going, Michael, no! Michael, no! That's not right, Michael! No, Mike, no. Yeah. And it wasn't. I mean, they straight up cheated. That race should have ended under caution. First off, the accident should have never happened. Like, that's just crazy that it happened. EVF1 in the future will be dead off. Well, they already have Formula E, and it's not a hit. So I don't think they're going to fully go that way. Right now, the only reason they're doing the hybrid, they're going to keep it hybrid because they know that if they were to go full electric, you can't. The races are too short. Like, you just, and there's got to be some crazy technology advancement before that would ever happen. There's so many things that F1 has to go back to its roots. They need to bring back the grid girls. They need to, yeah, that's the only one I can think of. God, yeah, I've been watching F1 for a long time. Aw. You do text me that all the time, DDT. That's nice to know that I'm one of your two best friends. I'm just waiting for the wedding, man. I'm just waiting for the wedding. No, I'm not old enough for Senna Prost. We might come down here and retest. There's the 150 retest. I told you we'd retest. It's just a matter of when. Ooh, this will pop down there. Do we use the close? Yesterday's close. Oh, dumping through it. Let me rewind real quick. Liar. Liar. I won't go back, though, if you really don't want me to. No. I used to have superstitions like when I played baseball and stuff, but nah, not anymore. I don't fault people that have them, but Okay. Ah, son of a bitch. I'm going to wash my hands. Yeah, my 8-year-old has the one hand down there all the time. My oldest doesn't, though. It always makes me wonder. My question is, what do you do if that situation happens and you're like out at the bar? That's my question. I do watch IndyCar. Not as much. I don't follow it like I do F1, but I do watch it. I gotta get it. There's a contract Formula E that they're the only one allowed to use full E power, so F1 can't go full E at least until the next 10 years. I don't think they'd want to anyway. Nice rejection here. Wouldn't be surprised if this rolls back over. It really depends on what it does here at yesterday's close. I mean, again, look, resistance, now trying to use it as support. It really, I feel, depends what we do around this area. So when you see in person, I shake your hand, make sure to smell it. Jeez. Yeah, I feel like the next time I see Justin, I'm not shaking his hand. I'm just gonna give him the knuckles. give him the knuckles. You know what? I think just to counter his handshake, the next time I see him, I'm gonna, in front of him, before like he sees me, I'm gonna stick my hand down my pants, cup my balls, and then see if he wants to shake hands. Exactly. And then you're talking about caressing my face. So I'm gonna shake your hand, and then I'm just gonna give you a nice little right down the cheek. I sure hope Take Profit Trader's not sneakily watching me. Yeah, but imagine that after I do that, you start growing hair only on that side of your face. It wasn't for me either. I just let it go. I do not grow facial hair very easily. I'm very interested into what I would look like if I shaved. It's been 16 years since I've been fully shaved. It's kind of crazy. I don't even know what I would want in order to shave, but it would be a lot. Nothing wrong with that. It immediately dumped. Should have took 3,000 shares. I was going to say, that's probably pretty spready looking at it. Use Grok, take a picture. Oh my God. All right. Right when it looked like we were going to go higher, get absolutely dumped on. See how Alpine's doing. It's doing good. Check on Nutty. Also doing good. Check on Methodical Man. Oh, I can't really tell if he's doing good. He doesn't show us, so I'll ask him. Still trying to bounce off a support here. All right, we got through. Let's see what happens. All right. Can you listen to other windows in your headset and don't show up in the audio in your stream? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's how I keep myself busy. What did it do to like the top of my face? Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. Is that what I would look like? I feel like I don't know, the texture's weird. Don't ever shave. I don't think that's what I would look like though. I feel like my face is more like longer. I feel like that picture is like rounding it out. I don't know. Doesn't seem right. For the love of God. I don't think that's what I would look like. Here, I'm gonna try that myself. Oh, hold on. I gotta make sure I'm looking at the camera when I click. Lock his ass up. I'm gonna be losing reception. All right, Donovan. Trying to bounce off 100, but see, this is more what I think I would look like. Like, see, like that looks more. That looks way better than the other one. I mean, that literally is taking the picture of me right now and just removing the beard. See what? But that's what I was saying. My face was different. Like, look. From, see what I mean? It's completely different. I don't know what AI you're using, Zishan, but you need to figure out a new one. Looking like a honey bun. That one you look like GDT? Oh, maybe. Oh. I don't even know how much we need here, but
Order working.
seems about right. Can only make 1,000. I think that'll be somewhere right around it if we can get that. Could have took the quick scout for like 150, 200, but I feel like might get a bigger bounce. Go. All right,
Order
take
filled.
it off there. Didn't seem to want to give me what I was looking for. I was right. There we go. 730. So now we need 264. Oh, you jerk. All right, would have got it. That's okay. I was hoping we got another push down there, and I was going to jump back in. Oh, we still might. That makes me look professional like a ball player. I told you I was a ball player. I feel like I look like somebody when I'm looking at that picture, but I can't put my finger on who it is. This picture actually looks convincing. I'm gonna send it to my wife, see what she says. All right, going down lower. She said AI. She knows I would never do it. She knows better.
Order working.
Oh.
Order
Okay.
filled.
I was gonna say I didn't get the fill. 36.
Order working.
So we need like 38, I think, or so. A little higher than 38, but oh, need a bounce first. You jerk. Come on. 33. Could have got out for 100-ish or like half of that. Come on, give me a little bit of a bounce. I really don't want to add, but obviously I will if we get the bigger push down, but I'd rather just get out. I was really hoping that was a quick little bounce. I'm right here, if you're looking left, right at that previous spot. That's what I'm looking at for the retest. Not looking good though. It's struggling. Just kind of hoping we would already got the rubber band type pop back up. This might just go straight to the lows. Not good. Dang it. Trying to let it have a shot, but it just doesn't want. Dang it. Go. I wanted to add, but just not a big enough push. It keeps teasing me, man. I feel like I should just get out now, to be honest. I'm trying to get the full amount. I just... Son of a... Just... What a tease. What a tease. What a tease. All right. And now this is how I end up losing these accounts. Right to 25K. Probably going to push through it. I'll wait to add under there. What a tease, man. It gave me 3 chances to get out, but I was each time it went back up, it's like, okay, maybe we'll get the extra push. Just never got it. Feels like it's going to go through 25K. It's probably going to shoot through too. Just not good. It feels like it might dump, and it might dump straight to the lows. Like that's what I'm worried about now. It fakes out though.
Order working.
Dang it. Didn't get the fill. Go! The other way! Son of a... Yep, there it is.
Order working.
That's the one. I didn't even get the fill. That's the one that we were waiting for. Straight to the lows we go.
Order filled.
I am getting slapped along with it at the current moment.
Order working. Order filled.
It needs to bounce here or we are toast. Counting on the bands. The bands need to do something. The bands need to do something. They're not doing it. The bands ain't doing it. I ain't lucky. I am not lucky. We were that close from passing our or getting to our 40% for the day. And the market said, nah. See ya, account. Bye-bye. It's gone. She gone. She gone.
Order filled.
Guess what? What do you think is going to probably happen? What a joke, man. You already know what's going to happen. You already know. Do I survive if I don't add this one? I don't know. I don't think so. No, I wouldn't have, because it even went 300 over. Just play marbles every day. It's a lot less stressful. Dang, Needy. Yeah, this was this one was not fun. We were that close from being up what we needed to be up for the day to move on to tomorrow, and then it just laughed at us and said, ha ha, ha ha. The worst part is if we take our out on any three of these toppings, top of these candles, we're probably fine. Because then even if we get back in here, we get an ad, and now we're probably at break even. Brutal. Brutal. GDT, look at my chart, bro. And it's not stopping. Yeah, I know. Oh man, it has been a rough couple months, really. It's really bad. Oh, well, see, the number I thought, what I thought you were going to ask is, would I be profitable if I wasn't trading props? And the answer is fuck no. That's what a lot of people don't understand about props is every time you take a loss like this, like you're only losing $100, not $2,300. And people don't think about it that way, but you should. That's like the huge advantage of props. All right, you know what? Let's play marbles. No, yeah, but it's like I'm just having a tough 2 months. Like I just can't seem to get anything going. Especially like once you started getting payouts and it's like you start getting used to getting the payouts and then all of a sudden you can't seem to get another payout, then you're just like, what the fuck is going on? All right, exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 2 minutes. What did Donald say? I don't even see what Donald said. Oh, there. How about... Okay. Oh, wait. That was Donald that said play marbles. Your name wasn't green. I was looking for a green name, Donald. That's why I was confused. What a joke, bro. I literally bottom ticked this bitch. Oh, no. I would have been more than green at this point. Like I'm past my initial entry. Like this is insane. Just straight up after it took me out. Absolutely crazy. I should have just went long in my other account knowing that this is what's going to happen. The funded account. No, that sucks, Donald. I'm sorry to hear that. Are they gonna give you the 500 bucks back though? I'm curious, how did they get you for 500 bucks? Most banks and cards and credit cards and stuff like that now, what if it was a debit card? See, that's why I don't like debit cards. Because debit, it takes straight from your cash. Gotcha. Trader Kashot, type it right. You put a space. There's no space. Neaty, did you happen to see my DM, by the way? Sorry, again, that you lost your account. Oh, you guys are being slow today. Were you already in there, GDT? To manually add most of you guys. All right, hold on. I'm going to resume entries. GDT, everyone who typed it after it says it ended, type it again. So I don't have to do all that crap manually. I'm going to start putting all the members in. Got Papa now, Fiona, Leia. Donovan's got his reception back. Zishan. Needy. DDT. And Rob. All right, I'm going to close it up now. Which means Tony should be the last one. Or wait, were you already in there, Tony? Yeah, you were, okay. So that means Raul. Wait, you're not there either. Were you already in? You were. All right, Needy and Rob are in there. Okay, we're good. All right, 49. All right, we're going to do the typical. We're going to run 3, and on the third one, if no one crosses the bridge, we will end it there. Good luck. Bitcoin has been moving. Bitcoin was back up to like 72K or something. Yeah, 71.5. Pretty big recovery from 62. A lot of people think it's not done yet, but we'll see. Bum, 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 bum. Starting to think I might want to take this $250 out on the trader's launch. I know it's not much after 80%. That's probably closer to what? It's 200. It'd be exactly 200. But 200 is 200, and it would pay for the account I lost this morning. Seems to be the goal lately is just to stay break even until I can finally get something going again. Well, Papa now, that's not true because it makes a list from top to bottom. So, whoa, you guys all split the laser. That was pretty cool. GDT out in front. Man, I'm going to have to like close my charts because looking at that stop out at the exact low is going to be infused in my brain. Yeah, you hit the thing. I think another marble hit you or something. It's Leia. Ooh, ooh. Double banger. Hit it. Hit it. Oh, that's one. Oh, you almost made it. Beep. Good morning, Don. Ooh, is that code VOLA? Oh. All right, Fiona. Try again. Chart just gonna V straight back to the highs pretty much. That would be pretty funny actually. I would have no choice but to just laugh. Oh, you guys went right through the lasers too. Ooh, Donovan going the other way. Donovan's gonna go for a ride. Pew! Too much spin? Yep. Just a little too much spin. Maladino. Oh, Maladino. You dead. Oh, Raul. Oh, hit it. Hit it. Yes. Let's go. Got another shot. Come. Oh, I thought Rob had the bridge. Got lasered. Hey, we got a shot back-to-back races. That's pretty. Oh, and you got the boost. You would have definitely had the speed. You just had to avoid the lasers. All right, attempt number 3. Good luck. Somebody's got to cross the bridge this time. Let's watch GDT until he dies. Should be pretty quick. Well, he was talking about balls earlier, so maybe he'll get some balls to the face. Oh, no, it looks like he might have... Oh, he just went under the balls. Get it? Cupping the balls like he was talking about earlier. Under him again. Wow. Just got shafted too. Shafted and under the balls. He's having a great race here. What a sell-off by the market, only to just turn around and come right back up. Crazy. Just down for, what, almost a half hour, and then it's just like, eh. Like, think of whatever major liquidity was sitting down there at the lows, and they just sucked it up, and now they're just rolling it higher. Crazy. I don't know if we're going to be able to watch GDT because people are going to start getting towards the end. We're going to have to go check in on him. I said we're going to watch him till he dies, so let's see what happens. Could be right here. Took an odd line again. But I need to know if someone crosses the bridge too. Oh, it looks like he might not. Oh, he might go through. Nah, he's going to hit. Oh, no, he's going to miss them both. Actually, he's going to be good. Oh, wait. We got to go check. Okay, Tony made it. This is more important. All right, he's still alive. Let's see if Tony makes it first. Oh, he might go in the hole. Nope. All right, where are you at, GDT? Oh, he's got multiple marbles too. Yeah. Oh, look, he's actually still alive. We already know that we're racing again. All right, got one last chance here popping out. Zishan saved you all. He was the only one that made it. Hey, look, there he is again. Oh, he went a little faster this time. Miss K out to a big lead now. Miss K getting paddled. This chart is freaking painful to look at. Can somebody complete the bridge? Not yet. Code VOLA? Could it be? Could I be the one to save the day? Because we all know it ain't going to be GDT. Oh, go, go, no! Yep. Digital nukes, our last opportunity. Digital nukes. You got to save everybody. You got to save them. You got to save them. Go right, go right, go right. All right, you're good. You're good. Come on. Come on. You got this. You got this. Ah! He didn't have it. Guys, this is painful. 933. 930.50. Granted, it should have stopped me out before that. That had some slippage. My arrow should have been 5 points higher. So technically my stop out was 938, which is right there. So it's still pretty much the bottom. But I am going to close the charts for the day because there's nothing here for me to trade. I'm not buying another account. I mean, not today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wait, tomorrow's Friday. I still haven't heard from Dan. As of right now, I don't have any accounts to give away. Literally none. So I might have to buy one tomorrow to give away. I messaged Dan this morning. Hopefully at some point today he will message me back. But yeah, how fitting would it be that I just have to buy the accounts to give away tomorrow anyway? I don't think I'll be buying a straight to funded account, but we'll see. We'll see. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day. Until then, be safe. Peace.